National Secretary ke Bharatiya Janata Party Rituraj Sinha hak jingwan menjuk kejat hajela Meghalaya bat kumjuru hak Shillong Mukro kabari ke Shillong hak ba sangot kibriu belui-lui kila syaksiat yap hak kibor pulit bat kibor para klau ke Assam ulabu ke jingkerpat hau menteri rangba ke jela ba udai ban aikam sarkar shaman la uwe udkhot jong kitu ki santli gilong ying kiblamat ikalanot ngosi yakani Rituraj ulapan pau habai keren ba hilat pathai kubor bat ben rapru ban namar ba umla ban te lakam uba Lahkmen Rymbui menteri badai pet yak tanat kampo yeng ula dai ban syem ke jingket khli halor kate ke jingja dak ba e no yakate ke suki kum menteri sarkar
सीएम आसाम से हम बात करेगा हाँ और उसको बोलेगा जस्टिस कार्रवाई टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट आसाम पुलिस राइट नंबर 2 आज सीएम we appeal to CM of Meghalaya, Conrad, give government job. Government job.
Yes, government job. One from each family.
One from each family. Right.
And to remove that illegal setting up of forest outposts within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya. उसको remove करने होगा. और उन लोग outpost रखना है पूरा आप लोग का जो boundary है वहाँ में by force.
I met with all the 5 families that have lost their loved ones. I'd like to say 2-3 things. Number 1, BJP has gone to the village and extended financial assistance to each of the families and shared their sorrow. Most other political parties have not even taken the pain of traveling all the way and meeting the ones who have suffered. Number 2, we believe that if the neighboring state, Assam State Police, has acted out of line, judicial inquiry has already been constituted. We are appealing to the CM of Assam, our BJP leader, and a delegation led by Mr. Mauri is going to meet him on 30th to present our case and say that if Assam Police has acted out of line, strongest action should be taken. But at the same time, I would like to raise 2 questions. First question is, the Home Minister of this state hails from UDP, he hails from Jaintia region. The way the police is managed in Meghalaya, with everything centered around Shillong and not adequate support for the people in the interior areas, I think it is time for the Home Minister to take some responsibility. He should resign because he has been unable to discharge his duties. At the same time, we also humbly request the CM of Meghalaya, Conrad Sagmaji. I have met the families personally. Some of them are 39-year-old person, 40-year-old person, 4 children, 5 children, underage children. They have a whole life to look after. I urge CM Meghalaya to kindly give one government job to each of the persons who has lost life. Each family deserves support from the government. In the long term, they should be given government job. That is our appeal. We will be writing to the government about this.